The Science of Clean, Mastering Skin Cleansing. Welcome to Beans and Grap, the Wellness Blueprint, where we decode the science behind holistic health. Today, we're diving deep into the foundational step of any effective skincare regimen, cleansing. It's more than just washing your face. It's about preparing your skin for optimal health and product absorption. Many view cleansing superficially. Scientifically, our skin is bombarded by environmental aggressors, pollutants, allergens, UV. It also produces sebum and sheds dead cells. Without proper cleansing, this accumulation fosters bacteria, blocks pores, and creates an occlusive layer, hindering product efficacy. The goal isn't sterile skin, but a balanced, clean canvas allowing optimal skin barrier function. Understanding cleanser types is crucial. For oil-soluble impurities like makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum, an oil-based cleanser or balm is ideal. Like dissolves like and is gentle. This is often the first step in a double cleanse. The second step uses a water-based cleanser, gel, foam, cream, to remove water-soluble debris and sweat. Crucially, choose pH-balanced formulations, ideally between 4.5 and 5.5, to respect the skin's acidic mantle. Harsh, alkaline soaps disrupt this, leading to dryness and compromised barrier. Micellar water offers a quick, gentle alternative for sensitive skin or morning refreshes. Beyond product, technique matters. Always use lukewarm water. Hot water strips natural oils. Massage cleanser gently with clean hands for 60 seconds, allowing ingredients to work and impurities to lift. Rinse thoroughly, then pat dry with a clean, soft towel. Most benefit from cleansing twice daily. For very dry or sensitive skin, a gentle morning water rinse might suffice. Common pitfalls include over-cleansing, abrasive tools, or wrong product choice. These create a cycle of irritation, increased oil, or chronic dryness. Cleansing isn't about stripping. It's about respectful purification. Done correctly, it primes your skin, allowing serums and moisturizers to perform optimally. It's an essential act of self-care, a moment to reset and nurture your skin. Empower yourself with this knowledge. Choose cleansers wisely, apply mindfully, and understand the profound impact this simple step has on your overall skin health. Join us next time on the Wellness Blueprint as we continue our journey to optimal well-being.